Hello guys. So my name is Christina Nyamana. This is the Happy Blessed Family. On this channel we do God's word, encouragement, clean with me, shop with me, Costco haul or any hauls, cook with me, so many things on this channel. So today we'll be making juice with watermelon and pineapple and cucumber and lemon. So we'll start by putting so it's time for test. Our juice test. Tastes nice. This is what came out, one whole bottle. This is gonna spend me only 1 day because I drink this juice too much. Okay, subscribe, share, comment. I love you all, but God love you more. Bye for now.